We're at the Lighthouse, the Big Bend, and we're with Travis. And what just happened?
It's official. I believe in magic. Like, fully. Like, honest to God.
The magic with Ryan was amazing.
There was a young lady in there with glasses. I think she had blonde hair, but she squealed.
I want him. Can you
Hold on.
see if he'll do
I think she was determined to catch me, but that squeal kind of determined that she did not catch me.
My name is Ryan Fox. I'm actually known as the amazing blind magician.
But still, that sound of joy, it just keeps me going.
I spent the last 27 years of my life learning how to perform magic without sight.
Okay, there's the mark, my hand. Okay, watch. And I had to do this really hard because it's difficult to get ink
Is there a hole in the drive?
off of your hand. You can actually see that I'm just taking it off my hand, right?
You know?
Nothing in my hand. Did I touch your hand? Did I?
No.
No. Open your hand.
How do you make
Do you have, is there an X?
Wow.
Oh my goodness, you see it? Travis, you see the X?
He's been marked red-handed,
Oh
so
my.
we all know who the culprit
You
is.
see it, Travis? That's crazy, right?
Can we put it at black?
I am now stupefied.
My name is Shadeja Haley. We're at the Lighthouse, and we've been doing a children's camp all week.
I'm Eric. I'm legally blind. We're at the Lighthouse of the Big Bend. I'm with Mr. Ryan Fox. He's an amazing blind magician.
Being a student at LBB is an amazing opportunity. I'm Yasmin.
Do me a favor, hold that nice and tight. Hold it in your hand, hold it right there, okay? Again, just go up, down, around, open. I'm sorry, did that startle you?
Organizations like this that we actually really need in life, because if you don't have stuff like this, then it's so much harder to be able to socialize and become that kind of person in life.
This one goes away in my pocket. I want you to feel my hands are completely empty. Okay, but from my pocket to your hand, open your hand.
I want to try.
And we're also writing a book about him and why he became a magician.
I got the opportunity. Thank you for asking me to draw some pictures, and I would love to do that.
And I also have tricks that I've actually designed so that you can feel what's happening. All of it I do just through feel and touch. So I don't actually look at what I'm doing, I just feel what I'm doing.
It was amazing. I really, my mind went blown when he did that ball trick. Yeah, that's really it.
Okay, and there's just the one ball. Okay.
Whoa, what happened, Parker?
It's split.
Yep. Now, how many balls do you have now?
2.
Whoa.
What makes it split?
I promise to never expose any secrets that I am taught here today.
I'm taught here today.
I want you to feel my hands are empty, okay? And you can feel the one ball in your hand, right?
Yes.
Okay, on the count of 3, watch. 1, 2, 3.
What?
3 balls!
What?
Wow.
It actually appeared in my hand.
And I also promise never to say whatever anybody else tells me to say.
Whatever anybody else tells me to say. Oh.
They can feel what's happening inside their hands, but still to have them freak out the way that they did, that tickled me so much inside, knowing that what I worked so hard for actually paid off in the end.
Meeting Mr. Ryan Fox is such an amazing opportunity. And I enjoyed the magic show a lot, and I've never really seen magic in person before, so it was a good experience. I loved it.
It was it was stunning. I didn't know how he did it because the way he did it, his hands are so fast.
Whoa! What was that thing?
That was one of the walls.
Oh my gosh. Was that behind your ear, Yasmin?
Yeah.
I don't know how you didn't know that was back there.
I didn't know.
There you
See,
go.
again with the ball tricks. He's awesome. He's so awesome. I loved meeting him. He's really funny. And yes, I do love your jokes.
Honestly, every single person is wonderful in their own way, and just to seeing how each person's vision level, how they get around and how they interact with each other has been sort of an eye-opener. Minute, we are actually going to do some card magic. Now, I love card magic because of the fact that people watch me like a hawk. Do me a favor, hold on to those cards for me, sir. Thank you.
And of course, I've done it to many blind people in the past. And of course, blind meaning as it's a spectrum, because that's what blindness is. It's a spectrum. It's not just the word blinding meaning that they can't see. It's they have some vision.
So everybody has their own different level of visual acuities. But to actually see it where everybody's conjugating together, everybody has different vision losses and everything, but still it's different to see each person actually get around and do the work that they need to do.
I'm happy, but I also feel curious because I don't know his tricks and I want to do them.
I saw you doing some magic today. Tell me about the magic you did today.
2, 2, 2.
Three, here, 4, take that.
Okay. Only 3. How did one disappear?
Oh my god.
He put it in his hand.
And
Yeah, you did it.
I've had an excellent time. These guys are absolutely amazing, and I'm absolutely thrilled that I get the opportunity to be here and hang out with them for the week and just everything that they do every single day. Brings me back to when I was actually learning it, and I know that these guys have big, full futures ahead of them, and I wish them all the best of luck.
Pinch the middle.
Can you pinch the middle right there? Just pinch it. Okay. All right, you're gonna feel this. All right, 1. Oh wait, hold on. Pinch it again. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Feel.
How did you do that?
One big time.
How did I do that? All right, do me a favor. Pinch it again.
I want it to mine.
All right. 1,
Let me see, guys.
2, 3.
I can do a trick with my wedding ring.
He made me smile and laugh a lot being here, so thank you for coming down to Tallahassee. And yeah, just don't forget that you're awesome in your own way and you can show anyone you can do anything that you want to.
he's an amazing blind magician.
I want one of
Because
mine.
honestly, earlier I did not believe in magic. I thought all this was just...
Mumbo jumbo.
Yes, exactly.
Will he do the drawing trick again?
I have no more words. This is the end of my interview. I'm walking off now.
My brother.
I'm walking off now.
Kind of like a mic drop.
White Kings, camera, action.